as many of you know, sometimes these desks get an E2 error. No matter what you do, it just beeps and beeps, won't go up and down. And you could try unplugging it. Sometimes that works, sometimes it doesn't. I have a solution here that works every single time. So you're going to go underneath here, and you see this cable right here on the left, the smaller one. You're just going to unplug it. Kind of looks like an aux cable. And once it's unplugged, you're going to come back up, and you can raise the desk up just a little bit. And after you raise it back up, you can plug this back in. What this is the sensor that senses if it's too high or too low. And for whatever reason, it glitches out every once in a while. But once you get that plugged back in, then it'll function as normal again. And this has worked every single time it's had an issue. It'll go up and down just fine. And there you go, it's fixed. We'll see y'all next time.